Welcome to another Christmas special video. Previously, you've seen me make candles from ResinCrete using these molds, and this time I'm actually going to use the same molds, but I'm going to be using resin. So let's see what we get. So if you haven't seen my previous video, go check it out. But just to give you a bit of a background, these are the molds and they are from a place called Boven Nicole. I will link all of this in the description for you. So last time I used these to make candles from ResinCrete, but this time I'm going to be using resin and I'm going to see how this works out. So these molds essentially are for eco resin, so they do have a matte finish, I believe, and so I'm extremely curious to see how they turn out with resin, because the resin molds usually have a glossy finish. So we'll see what we end up with. We can always bring the shine back on a matte mold with resin, and if we need to do that, I will show you how. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up my J-Diction Officials resin. I'm using the 4R Demold on this occasion. No particular reason, I'm just impatient and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. Okay, so for my snowman mold, I want to add some sparkle to it. So I'm going to be using this chameleon glitter from Let's Resin called Sky Blue Opal, I believe. But again, I will link everything for you, and I'm going to add a good amount to my resin. And the rest of it, I'm just going to keep clear. So it's literally just going to be glitter. Now, I'm well aware about the situation about the glitter ban. Some of you might be aware of the glitter ban that has been implemented in Europe, and I believe that we have about a year before we have to completely switch over to eco glitter. So that is on my list to do. I will have to look for some glitter that is eco-friendly and biodegradable, etc. So yeah, if you know of any good ones around, do leave me a comment and let me know, and I will definitely would like to try them out. And I'm going to go ahead and pour all of that shiny goodness into the mold. Now, I had some resin left over, so I have a little heart trinket mold here, so I'm just going to pour the rest into that and put that aside. Right, so we're going to leave the snowman to cure, and I'm going to move on to my next one, which is this Christmas tree one. And for this one, I'm going to tint my resin green, and I'm still going to add some glitter. Once again, I think the glitter is from the same pack that I used previously, but I'm mixing two shades, and I'm going to pour all of this right in. I'm going to leave this to cure, and I will be back the next day, which is only a few seconds for you guys, so see you then.
The next day.
Okay, so it's the next day. For some reason, I can't find the footage of me unmolding these, so my apologies, but I have unmolded these, and as we expected, these have a matte finish, and I'm quite happy with the matte finish, but I decided that I will bring back some of the sheen by using this spray paint that I have. It's essentially a transparent spray paint with a bit of holographic glitter in it. So I think this will give a nice little touch and add a tiny amount of sheen to it. So I'm going to go ahead and spray all over this mold. And once that's dry, this is what it looks like. And because of the glitter, you can't really see all of the detail of the mold, such as the nose and the eyes and the buttons, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and paint these with my liquid silver by Montana using a Q-tip. Also decided to add a little band of the silver along the edge. And I'm going to do the same for my Christmas tree. I'm going to go ahead and add a little edge detail on that as well. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment and sub, and click that notification bell so you get notified every time I post another video. And now that these are dry, let me show you what they look like. I think these look super cute. I absolutely love both of them. I feel like these would make nice containers or jars to fill some festive candies into, and to give to friends and family. So let me know what you think of these. Absolutely love what these look like, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!